Another super important part about your design is the antenna. If you don't have a properly designed or matched antenna, then you'll have issues wirelessly connecting with the outside world. There are a lot of different types of antennas out there, different shapes, sizes, and the connections used that would connect to your project. Not all of them are created equal, and so you'd have to do your research to find the optimal antenna for your project if you wish to use an external antenna.
But Jeffrey, external antennas are bulky and create a breakpoint on my widget. Is there not an alternative to external antennas?
Why, yes, there is. Using your favorite CAD software and a little bit of math, you can create something called a trace antenna. As its name implies, it is a trace that you design onto your PCB. So this takes up less space, like an external antenna would, and it is cost effective because it is just a trace that's designed into your PCB. Trace antennas have many different types of shapes, such as meandering, which is shapeless and kind of looks like a river. There's monopole, which is just a straight line. There's L, which looks like an L. F, which looks like an F. And then there's a circular, which kind of looks like a pumpkin roll. Man, I'm starving now. The shape that you choose depends on a bunch of different factors, such as what your frequency response that you're looking for, the frequency bandwidth, and the physical amount of space that you have on your PCB. While there are many different types of considerations for a trace antenna, it's typically preferred due to its size and cost because it's just a trace on your PCB. We'll get into more PCB design considerations in a following video, but that's it for this one. Thank you for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday, and remember, stay grounded.